Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the name of your room that you have created on the Room Planner application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the home icon down below, which is the first option, and then select your room that you want to rename. Tap on the button edit, select your room, tap on the three dots icon down below in the right side corner of the screen, and then click on rename in the middle of the screen. As you can see now, the name of your room is bedroom, so feel free to delete it and write or type in the new name that you want to save or want to rename your room for. So tap on the button rename, and as you can see, the room name has been updated. So feel free to change it anytime by tapping on the edit button and then the rename button down below. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.